Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook Reels tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook Reels video or how you can remove your Facebook Reels video from your profile. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook account. Then having opened up your Facebook, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Reels. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then select the particular Reels that you want to delete. Go ahead and select on the Reels. So like for instance, I'm going to delete this Reels right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to pump up right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three dots from the bottom right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on delete right here. Delete Reels. Go ahead and delete reel. Are you sure you want to remove your reel from Facebook? Go ahead and click on delete. Video has been deleted. It's that simple. Let's go back to my profile, just like so. It's no longer found right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook Reels video topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.